Welcome to the Transformers, where we explore pivotal moments and transformative changes in the legal landscape of India. Today, we embark on a journey to understand the evolution of the right to privacy as a fundamental right in India. This right, though seemingly modern, has deep historical roots and has undergone significant transformation over the years. Our exploration will culminate in the landmark case of Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India and others, a case that redefined the contours of privacy in the digital age. Stay tuned as we delve into the intricate details of this right, enshrined in Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. This article, which guarantees the protection of life and personal liberty, has been the bedrock for numerous judicial interpretations and landmark judgments. In today's interconnected world, the right to privacy has gained unprecedented importance. From social media interactions to data protection, this right impacts our daily lives in ways we often overlook. If you find this content insightful and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more such informative content to you. Join us as we unravel the layers of legal history, societal changes, and technological advancements that have shaped the right to privacy in India. Together, we will explore how this fundamental right continues to evolve in response to new challenges and opportunities in the digital era. The journey of recognizing privacy as a fundamental right began long before the Indian Constitution was drafted. The seeds of this idea were sown in the early 20th century during the struggle for independence. Indian leaders were deeply influenced by the global discourse on human rights and the need for personal freedoms. Influenced by global human rights movements and the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which was adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 1948, Indian leaders sought to create a framework that would protect the dignity and freedom of every individual. Indian leaders envisaged a constitution that guaranteed basic freedoms. They engaged in extensive debates and discussions, meticulously drafting a document that would serve as the foundation of the newly independent nation. The early drafts of the Indian Constitution reflect their commitment to ensuring that every citizen would enjoy fundamental rights. Initially, the focus was on civil and political rights, with privacy being a latent concept. The early constitutional debates were centered around ensuring freedom of speech, equality before the law, and protection against arbitrary detention. Privacy, though not explicitly mentioned, was an underlying theme in these discussions. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and other founding fathers emphasized liberty and personal freedoms, recognizing that a truly democratic society must respect the individual's right to autonomy. Ambedkar in particular was a staunch advocate for social justice and individual rights, and his vision played a crucial role in shaping the Constitution. Planting the seeds for future interpretations, the framers of the Constitution left room for the evolving understanding of fundamental rights. Over the decades, the Indian judiciary has played a pivotal role in interpreting these rights, gradually recognizing privacy as an integral part of the right to life and personal liberty. This journey reflects the dynamic nature of the Constitution and its ability to adapt to changing societal values. Article 20 Article 21 has been a cornerstone in the ongoing development of human rights jurisprudence in the country, ensuring that the dignity and autonomy of individuals are upheld. As society evolved, the need for a robust privacy framework became evident. Cases like Govind versus State of Madhya Pradesh and R. Rajagopal versus State of Tamil Nadu highlighted the need for safeguarding personal spaces against state and non-state actors. The advent of the digital age and the proliferation of data intensified these concerns, pushing the judiciary to rethink privacy in modern contexts. The watershed moment came with Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India and others. In 2017, the Supreme Court unanimously recognized the right to privacy as a fundamental right under Article 21. This judgment, stemming from challenges to the Aadhaar project, underscored privacy as central to human dignity and autonomy. It laid down comprehensive guidelines balancing state interests with individual rights. The Puttaswamy judgment has far-reaching implications for society. It mandates stringent checks on data collection, surveillance, and personal freedoms. The ruling has inspired legislative reforms and set important precedents for future cases. As India navigates privacy in a digital era, this judgment serves as a cornerstone for protecting individual rights. While the Puttaswamy judgment has significant implications for India, it also resonates globally. This landmark decision aligns India with other democracies that prioritize privacy as a fundamental right. Countries like the United States, Canada, and members of the European Union have robust privacy frameworks, often rooted in historical judgments and legislative actions. In the United States, privacy has been interpreted through the lens of the Fourth Amendment, which guards against unreasonable searches and seizures. Landmark cases like Roe v. Wade and Katz v. United States have further shaped the understanding of privacy rights in America. Europe, on the other hand, has the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, which sets a high standard for data protection and privacy. The GDPR has become a global benchmark, influencing privacy laws worldwide, including India's own data protection policies. The Puttaswamy judgment also paves the way for international cooperation on privacy issues. In an increasingly interconnected world, cross-border data flows are common, and harmonizing privacy standards can facilitate smoother international relations and trade. Moreover, this judgment has inspired activism and advocacy for privacy rights in other nations. It sets a precedent that courts and policymakers worldwide can look to as they grapple with similar issues in their jurisdictions. In summary, the Puttaswamy judgment is not just a milestone for India, but a significant contribution to the global discourse on privacy. It underscores the universal need to protect individual freedoms in the face of advancing technology and state surveillance. Thank you for watching this in-depth analysis of the evolution of the right to privacy in India. We hope this video has enriched your understanding, especially for those preparing for UPSC exams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Transformers for more insightful content. Stay informed, stay empowered.